Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you the way or my way of cooking one of the most famous Filipino dish, the adobo. So, I will cook a chicken pork adobo. The ingredients are here, as you can see there. So I'm going to introduce to you all the ingredients that I have. I have here a chicken. That is a chicken thigh. I have here a pork, which is pork yampo. And cooking oil, of course. Red onion, sliced. Chopped garlic. Red chili for the color, because that doesn't have any chili taste or spiciness anyway. Brown sugar for a little bit of sweetness. Onion powder. Chili oil or chili garlic oil for a little kick of spiciness. Pepper. Soy sauce, and I don't usually use the usual vinegar here in the Philippines, which is Dato Puti or Silver Swan. I usually use this kind of vinegar for my adobo, the Del Monte red cane vinegar, because I just like the taste of it when I cook adobo. And the unusual thing that I have in my adobo is this. 1/3 cup of Coca-Cola original, which is, I call it adobo NJ's way, because I have a unusual ingredients for adobo. So let's start cooking. Yeah, so this is my pan. It's already hot, so I am now going to put the oil, the cooking oil. Well, sometimes, it's not usual that we saute adobo. Some people don't saute adobo when they cook it. They just put all the ingredients in the pan, leave it, let it cook. But for me, I always do saute when I cook adobo. So I put the onion first, saute it. I wait for it to fragrance, like the aromatic smell of onion, before I put the garlic. So yeah, how it is. So I can smell it now, the aroma of onion. And then I'm going to put the garlic. I love garlic, that's why I put a lot of garlic when I cook adobo. So there. I'm just waiting for it to be a little brownish or golden brown before I put the chicken in my meat, pork and chicken. There, so I guess it's good enough. So I'm going to put the chicken, saute it, and pork. So I'll just cover it with a lid and wait for it to simmer for like 5 to 8 minutes in low fire. So I'm going to check it after 5 minutes. And I think it's good enough to dump in the remaining ingredients. So I'm going to put the brown sugar, the red chili, a pinch of onion powder, black pepper, I like it peppery, that's why I put a lot of pepper. The soy sauce. Okay. The Coca-Cola. Then mixed. Cover and let it simmer again for like 5 to 8 minutes in low fire. So it's done. Let's check it out. Ooh, that's the finished product. And I'm going to try it. So I'm going to get chicken and pork. I like it saucy, that's why I don't let it go dry, because I like the sauce. Okay, let's try it. There you go. So this is the fruit of my labor. This is the first bite. So I'm going to try the pork first. There. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. I like the spiciness. It's not too spicy, just a kick. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.